It is Monday, time to replace. Let's go ahead and take all this off. Alright, we got all this off. Let's go ahead and start replacing. I'm going to start off with something crappy. Grab this as well. We're also going to get a carbon monoxide detector. You know what? I'm going to try to use this one. Unfortunately, I can't use this one, so we are going to replace it with something a little bit different. A TrueSense. For the fun of it, I'm also going to get one of these. And you know, just for fun, this might be poorly mounted, but for fun, I'm going to use this one. And maybe this one. Alright, now we got all of it. Now we can mount it onto the wall. Alright, we got everything on the board. Unfortunately, I couldn't put this one up. I didn't have enough. So, this is what we have for today. 6 alarms installed today. Once a week, I'm going to replace them with something different from the shelf. Or maybe rare times the Gentex Commander 3 or an SD355. And you know what? To make things fun, I'm going to let you guys comment down and which models I should add to the board. If I don't have that model, you might not see it on there. The first 5 people that comment, the first 6 people that comment models that I have will be on the board.